Good evening, girls.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
What is your name?
My name is Phương.
And what is your name?
My name is Ngọc.
Nice. And how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Excellent. And how old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. Excellent. So, I will start with you. I want to know, where do you live?
I live in Hadong district in Hanoi, Vietnam.
Excellent. And who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Excellent. And I want to know the same about you. Where do you live?
I live in Hadong district and Hanoi, Vietnam.
Excellent. And who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my younger brother.
And your younger brother. Excellent. Okay. Thank you, girls. So we move on to part 2, okay, where I'm going to ask both of you a question, okay? I will start with you first. So my question for you is, how often do you use a mobile phone?
I often use my phone 3 hours of the day. I use to FaceTime with friends, chat with friends, or invite them to hang out with me. Yes.
Okay, do you think mobile phones are a good thing or a bad thing?
Maybe it's a good thing because we can surfing internet and learn something in the internet by our mobile phone.
Nice. Do you think there's anything bad about mobile phones?
Yes, because when we use mobile phone too much a day, we can have something bad on the eye, and you can concentrate something around you.
Excellent. Okay, guys, and I will ask a question for you now. So tell me about the sports you like.
My favorite sport is swimming because swimming makes me strong and is very healthy. In the summer, I usually go swimming every day, and it's very good for my health.
Nice. And who do you usually go swimming with?
I usually go swimming with my father.
With your father. Okay, excellent, girls. Okay, so that moves us on to part 3. Okay, so in part 3, there are 2 pictures. Okay, here is a picture for you, and here is a picture for you. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want you to describe the photos that you see. Okay, who would like to go first?
Me.
Okay, nice. So what can you see in the photo?
I can see a photo show a boy alone at home. He is sitting on the sofa and watching TV programs football. I think he's in the living room and he wears a t-shirt. So I think the weather, the season is summer and the weather is hot. In the desk in the living room, I see a man on the desk, and he feel concentrated. I think.
Excellent. Okay, and now it's your turn. Can you describe what you can see in the picture?
In the picture, I can see the family is with 4 people, his parents and 2 daughters. They are eating breakfast at the living room. In the table, I can see they are eat 2 pots of soup and some bread and water. In the weather, I can see is have a snow, and I think the season is the winter.
Excellent. Okay, good stuff, girls. Okay, so now for part 3. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys this piece of paper. Okay, so this is the part where you two are having a conversation with each other. Okay, I will explain what you need to talk about. Okay, a class is going on a day trip, walking in the mountains with their teacher. Here are some things they could take with them. Talk together about the different things they could take with them and say which would be the most useful. Okay, so I'd like you to talk together, so take it away.
What do you think about take a map to work in the mountain? I think it's a good idea because when you are lost, the map will help you to choose the road to go for the right way. What do you think for bring the water to walk in the mountain? I think we should bring the water in the mountain because when you walk in the mountain you can travel and tired, and when you drink water you should be strong. What do you think about bringing chocolate? I think it's not useful enough because chocolate is don't make you strong, and it's very sweet, and it not make you not make you healthy. What do you think about bring an umbrella? I don't think bring an umbrella to in the mountain because when you go high and the wind and the weather is so windy, and when you bring the umbrella, it's not useful. What do you think about take a camera? I think it's good because the camera can take the picture when you go to climb the mountain, and when you went home you can see the picture. What do you think about bring the hat to climb the mountain? I think we should bring the hat in the mountain because when you go high and the weather is cool too, and bring the hat can help we to be warm and warm. Yeah. And what do you think about bringing the ball in the mountain? I think it's not a good idea because when you play the ball in the mountain, it's so dangerous, and it can make you have a burn. Yeah.
Excellent. So girls, what do you think is the most useful item to bring?
I think the most useful is the water because it can make you strong, and when you feel thirsty you can drink water. Yeah.
Excellent, good stuff, girls. Okay, so now it's for part 4, okay, the final question. So again, I will ask each of you a question and would like you to answer, okay? So my first question, I will go with you. I will ask you, so do you walk to school?
No, I don't. My father bring me to school because my father said when I walk to school it's so very dangerous, and when my father take me to school it's more safer than I walk to school. And my father take me to school is have 5 minutes, but when I walk to school it's about 10 minutes, and it's so very long time, and I will be late to school.
Excellent, okay, good answer. Okay, and now my final question is for you. So I would say, do you like walking in the countryside? So, do you like walking in the countryside?
Yes, because my countryside is so beautiful with a green field and many trees. And when I walk around my countryside, I feel safe, and I can see the farmer walk, and everybody raise their cattle.
Excellent. When was the last time you took a walk in the countryside?
I think it's about 1 week.
Well, last week. Good.
Last week.
Good. Where did you go?
I go my countryside near my house is in Hana too, but in a Huettat, and is About 20 kilometers to here.
Excellent, that's great. Okay, that is the end of the test. Thank you, girls.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.